Swipe up and down to change image depth. Swipe left and right to change image gain. When changing gain, the TGC icon appears. Tap it to display the TGC sliders. Drag the sliders to optimize the gain at different depths. Tap the TGC icon again to hide the sliders. Stretch 2 fingers to zoom in. Pinch 2 fingers to zoom out. Tap the System Tools button, Setup, and Image for more parameters. Disable or enable eye clear for speckle noise rejection function. Disable or enable TGC adjustment. Change the transmitting frequency for optimal image quality. Adjust dynamic range for proper image contrast. Tap the iTouch icon for automated image optimization if you are unsatisfied with the manual adjustment. Tap the video camera icon to save a cine in real time during scanning. After freezing, tap the camera icon to save an image. Tap the video camera icon to save a cine. Tap the play button or drag the progress bar to review the current cine.